Good morning to my amazing teachers here at Kavod Charter. This is Coach King. So I know I talked a lot to a lot of you about kind of a video that I would like, if possible, for some of the teachers to create. My middle schoolers are absolutely in love with every single one of you teachers that they've had, and so I think it would be great to kind of put a video together. And I kind of want to go over the project with you as far as what exactly they are doing for their final assessment. And so what they have to do is they have to create a physical fitness plan project. And so both my 6th and 7th graders are doing something different. And what we've kind of been talking about in this unit, and I'll kind of go down here, is the components of fitness, right? So cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, as well as flexibility. And so what they have to do for this project is they have to come up with a fitness plan that's going to incorporate all the components of fitness, as well as incorporating what we call the FIT principle, which is frequency, intensity, time, and type. Okay, so how often are they going to be doing the exercise? What's the intensity going to be like? How long are they going to do it for the time? And what exactly is the exercise? Will go under the type category. And so what they're doing is they're creating this fitness plan for you. And so I put them in the mindset of they are a trainer and they are developing a state-of-the-art fitness plan for their clients, which are you. And so they were really, really excited about this, knowing that some of the teachers on campus were going to be choosing a fitness plan to follow this semester. And so my game plan is that students will develop their fitness plan, turn it in, and then I will allow you guys to kind of maybe go through them, or I can let you know to save you time which ones are really, really great. But kind of what I want before they begin is, and it would be amazing if you could, I know you have a busy schedule, is to create a video talking about how excited you are to be looking over these fitness plans and choosing one to follow for the remainder of the year. Maybe talk about why you want to be on a fitness plan. Maybe it's to kind of increase your fitness in your life, to get healthier, to look better, whatever it may be. Kind of talk about that. And I think the students are absolutely going to love that video. So I would love to have the video in by in the next couple of days would be possible. They start next week, the project. So if I can kind of show them the videos this week, I think it would be motivation for them to do really well on this first assessment. So I just really, from the bottom of my heart, want to thank you guys so much. If you can do this for me, I think it would mean the world to the kids. If you have any further questions, please email me, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. Thank you guys so much. Take care.